Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at Bimini Beach Club. Got off the Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady cruise ship, took a golf cart to the Fisherman's Village, and now here at Bimini. Many pools throughout, drink servers around, volleyball nets, lots of bars. See many umbrellas and chairs in the sand. You can go in the pools, go in the beach, and lounge here, getting a suntan. Palm trees throughout.
Tons of ice.
Tons of ice. Some sand riders in this section, some cabanas, and away to the beach. Beach warning flags. I don't see any warnings for today. Some specialty cocktails, I'm sure, some frozen margaritas and other drinks. Beach down below. No lifeguard on duty. Swim at your own risk. It's about 80 degrees, recording at the end of May 2026. Decent weather, no rain just yet, although it had rained in previous days. We're seeing puddles on the way. People washing their feet from the sandy beaches. On the other side of the pool area, some pool chairs on the ends. And with this cruise, it's adults only with Virgin Voyages. So no screaming or crying kids. And I don't see anyone on the island that's under 18. So maybe only the Virgin Voyages crowd. You can see Bimini art next to a shell shower area and another drink section. There's also complimentary food on the island. You can smell it from over here and see it just ahead. You can sit here under the shade as there are some tarps ahead. Also a chess set, as was on the ship. Looks like they're grilling burgers and other items on offer as well. Team member area ahead. See some inflatable chairs, other inflatables in the back, and some of the smoke from the grills. Now at the food area. Looks like some rum cakes just ahead. Some fruit. Looks like some grilled corn, some salads, and some cleaning noises or inflating noises in the back. So sorry for that. See the corn. Looks like chicken, maybe some burgers. Looks like seagulls flying by. Oh, there's one just ahead, coming on in and maybe landing. Getting a good seagull video here towards the end. Landing on this pole, as they like high places. Oh, there's another one coming in. Maybe they try to swoop in, take the food. Oh, there he goes. No room for two on the pole, but get a good shot here at the end. Oh, there's some food they've left over. Are they going to come in for it? Oh, it looks like they're swooping in. All right, there we go. Get some corn. This one onto the ground. Something fell. He's going after it. It's pretty funny there. I suppose they'd have the staff clean these more regularly. Oh, there's another one coming in. Hopefully not swooping in on me. Oh, there we go. We got something there. All right. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from the Bimini Beach Club in the Bahamas, a stop on the Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady route. Stay tuned for more content.